Good morning, children. This is Simarjeet, your English teacher. So, hope you all are in good health. Okay, so now we are going to start with the second part of Mr. Jessler's theory. So, children, we are having two characters over here in the full story. That is Mr. Jessler and author. Author is the person who is telling or describing about the his story. Okay, about the story. Now, in the second part, uh, in the first part we left our first video when Mr. Jessler told author that okay, if he is not being able to repair the shoes which Mr. Jessler had returned, then he will return the whole money, okay, which he gave to Mr. Jessler in turn of his shoes. So let's start with the second part. So in the second part, the author again turned back to Mr. Jessler shop after an international tour. Okay, so in the second part, the author returned to Mr. Jessler shop फ्रॉम एन इंटरनेशनल टूर आफ्टर 2 years. मतलब 2 साल बाद वो फिर से मिस्टर जेस्लर की शॉप पे उन्होंने विज़िट किया. देन ही अगेन गेट अवे विद अनदर पेयर ऑफ शूज़ आफ्टर अ वीक्स time. Okay, then he again ordered Mr. Jessler for a pair of shoes, and he again got that shoes made from Mr. Jessler. So after a week's time, when the author again visited with Mr. Jessler's shop, he was shocked. Okay, so after when he got his new shoes, a pair of new shoes, then author again turned on to Mr. Jessler's shop to thank him for the good work he done for his shoes. But as soon as he arrived there, he was shocked. Why was he shocked? As the whole appearance of his shop was changed. The author was shocked because the appearance of the shop was changed totally. जैसी पुरानी शॉप थी वैसी नहीं थी. Why? And the shop was owned by someone else. और जो शॉप थी वो किसी और के पास चली गई थी. कोई और उसका एंटरप्रेन्योर हो गया था या किसी और ने उनकी शॉप खरीद ली थी. Okay. Then he was shocked to know about Mr. Jessler from the man standing out there. अब जब उन्होंने उनसे पूछा वहाँ पे जो पर्सन खड़े थे कि वेयर इज़ मिस्टर जेस्लर, ही वॉज हिज शॉप ना, तो द मैन टोल्ड हिम अबाउट अ शॉकिंग स्टेटमेंट. ही वॉज नो मोर. वहाँ पे जो इंसान खड़े थे, पर्सन खड़े थे, उन्होंने बोला कि अब वो नहीं रहे. सच अ काइंड man devoted his whole life for serving people. He died of starving. So what did the man standing out there told the author? He told that he was such a kind and gentle man. He died of starving. Okay, because he devoted all his hard work to his work, all his life to his work. So he was so hardworking. So the author was like shocked to listen that, and he told that man that what are you talking? I just visited his shop and met Mr. Jessler before a week time. So that man told him no, because of starving and because of his daily hard work he left eating. So that is why, and for that reason only, he start decreasing his customers. Because of improving quality, he had to work the whole day and he had no time to eat food and be social. So that is why he died of starving. So children, the moral of the story here was good work and good deeds were always remembered. So this story tells us about that if you are doing good to others, it will come to you in some way or the other. So if you are behaving well, if you are kind and gentle towards your peers, towards your younger brothers and sisters, towards your elders, so it will come you again in a good manner. So be good, be kind, be gentle towards each and everyone, whether you are anywhere, whether you are in a social place, whether you are in your neighborhood or in your family. So the motive of telling your this story is that be good, be kind, be gentle. Okay, so now you have your assignment is that you have to find out the tough words like remembered, appearance, devoted, hard work, Okay, and write it in your notebook. And if you are facing any problem, so do contact me. I am there to help you. So till then, goodbye. Thank you. Do take good care of yourself. Stay at home, stay healthy. Bye.